Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break number 806. We're opening two boxes of 13-14 Crown Royale hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 21st at 8:29 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 9:58 a.m. Monday, June 22nd. That's Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 206, 345, 174. Second box number is 206, 343, 343. We've got 5 cards per pack, 4 packs per box, total of 2 boxes to open. First box, Crown Royale 13-14. We've got 4 packs, 1 empty box. First pack. Aces. Derek Grant for Senators. Rookie signature card out of $4.99. Next pack. Oh, nice. Alexander Barkov for Florida. Rookie patch. Heirs to the Throne, die cut, 38 out of 50. Nice patch, 3-color. Nice hit for Panthers. Zino Chara for Boston, parallel card out of 99. And Sami Vatanen for Ducks, rookie jersey, Heirs to the Throne. And our last pack of our first box. We got a redemption card. Rookie silhouette, Max Reinhardt, card 104. My memory serves me right. Max Reinhardt is Calgary, but I like to double check and triple check, so we'll put it aside and we'll go on Panini checklist just to make sure. Clean up, keep it clean and on screen. Second box. Just like to mention that we've got 6 box breaks ending tonight. We've got some Upper Deck artifacts, some Ultimate Collection, SP Game News. We got a Panini Select 2-box, more than 12 box ending tonight. We got a 4-pack and an empty box. All that tonight on Box Breakers. First pack of our second box. Thomas Hickey, rookie jersey for Islanders. Coat of arms. There's a thick one here. Let's see what we got. Base. Bernie Parent for Flyer. Oh, this is nice. We've got a auto jersey silhouette. And it's hard signed, beautiful card for Flyers. Great player. Sean Lalonde for Chicago, rookie autograph out of 499. Rookie royalty. And we're down to our last pack of a 2-box break. Oh, triple jersey. We've got Nicholas Lindstrom for Detroit, Eric Carlson for Ottawa, and Jonas Brodin for Wilds. So let's get a sleeve on this. This card is going to be handled a few times because we're going to randomize this card at the end of the break. And we are at the end of the break. So let's just put it here, and that'll be a quick recap. But first, we got our card at Panini Checklist to double check, and then we'll randomize this card between Detroit, Senators, and Wilds. So let's just get to my screen. Let's start with Panini America. So we're in hockey. 13, Panini, Crown Royale 13-14, and we're looking for the rookie silhouette. Card number 104. There we go. So double check here. Rookie silhouette 104, Max Reinhardt, Calgary Flames. Card goes to Flames. Okay, that's done. And right beside, we've got random.org. So, card we're randomizing between these 3 players or 3 teams. So, first on card is Detroit, then Ottawa, then Minnesota. Let's double check. Here in the back, we've got Detroit, Ottawa, Minnesota. Detroit, Minnesota, Ottawa, Minnesota. So card will be randomized 3 times. Team that's on top the 3rd time wins the card. For those unfamiliar with this procedure, all the information is available on all my description pages. So here we go. Randomize once. We've got Minnesota on top. Small adjustment here. Twice. Minnesota still on top. And a 3rd time. Wow, Minnesota still on top. You have randomized this list 3 times. Wilds wins this card. Okay, now as promised, let's do a quick recap of our hits. So, Minnesota gets the triple jersey card. Nice rookie silhouette for Flames. Rookie auto for Chicago. Beautiful, beautiful Ottawa and jersey of Bernie Parent silhouette card. For Flyers, rookie jersey. Islanders, rookie jersey. For Ducks, parallel for Bruins. Nice rookie patch out of 50. For Panthers, of Barkov. And direct grant rookie for Ottawa out of 499. That concludes our break number 806 of 2 box of Crown Royale 13-14. Don't forget all of box breaks ending tonight. My name is Gilles. Thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.